Student, today we are going to solve exercise number 2.3. Please keep your attention because this is going to be little tough exercise because it involves most of the time the circle command and trim command, especially circle command with tangent radius. So as a part of strategy, we are going to place these three circles having dimension of 2.0. We are going to place them first. Now after that we are going to place this circle, then this circle having respective radius of 2.5, 1.75. Then after I am going to place this circle, okay, having radius 2.0. Now also we are going to draw a fillet by using circle command tangent radius, right? So tangent over here and tangent over here, and we are going to provide the radius 4 and we will trim out the rest of the part. Similarly, I am going to draw this part, right? So it is only possible by first drawing this circle of having radius 1.5, which is located from this center in negative y direction by 2.5 and in negative x direction by difference of these two dimensions, right? So 5.25 minus 4.5, so it is equal to minus 75. Then we are going to draw this radius having value 4 by making tangent to these options, these two circles. After that, at last we are going to draw the radius of 0.75 dimensions, which is tangent to this part and this part. And then lastly we are going to complete this part by drawing a radius of 6 tangent to this part and this part. So let's try to draw this exercise in AutoCAD. Now let's draw first circle, C space, diameter is 2. Now let's draw another circle from this. So shift right click from, select this point, shift at the rate 5.25, 3.50, D space 2. Now let's draw another circle, C space, shift right click from and pick up this center as a from, shift at the rate. This time it is 2.25, minus 3 because we are going in a negative y direction, D space 2. Now let's draw the outer circle. Now the radius is 1.75. Repeat the circle command. Here the radius is 2.5. Again repeat the circle command. For this the radius is 2. Now let's draw this upper radius, C space, right click, tangent radius. Now be careful. You have to choose a very far away point here and here. Then enter the radius 4. Now trim away the additional part. Okay. Now let's also try to draw this circle of radius having radius 1.5, which is located at 2.5 in negative y direction and in negative direction it is 0.75. So C space, shift right click from, so pick up this center, shift at the rate minus 0.75, minus 2.50. Now the radius is 1.50. Okay. Now let's draw the radius over here having value 4. C space, right click, tangent radius. So tangent radius is 4. Now here sometimes student makes mistake over here. They choose very close tangent point. So let me demonstrate what will happen. So C space, right click, tangent radius. So tangent radius is 4. So this is what it's going to happen. AutoCAD will drop the circle like this. So to avoid this error, you have to choose far away points of a two circle. C space, right click, tangent radius. So this time I'm going to choose far away point. So because of that, I'm going to get arc like this. Now trim away additional part so it won't disturb you. at later stage. So remove this part, remove this part. Now let's draw this arc having, circle having 0.75 radius. So sys face, right click, tangent, tangent radius. So tangent, tangent radius 0.75. Now remove additional part. Okay, now let's draw this radius 6. Sys face, right click, tangent, tangent radius, tangent, and tangent radius is 6. Now let's trim away additional part. Now our drawing is getting shaped. Okay, now let's draw the center line. So for that, choose the center line layer, and from here just go little up and drop it over here. Draw another horizontal center line and up to this point. Now copy the center line instead of drawing. So place it over here and place it over here. This is how you can draw this exercise. If you find difficulty, pause the video and go and try to watch how do I try to complete this typical part of this exercise.